How to connect or disconnect Instagram on Clubhouse. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect or disconnect Instagram on Clubhouse. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Clubhouse account, just like I've done here. So once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. So once you're on your profiles page, ensure you select settings. And once you're on your settings page, you can see some options. Select your profile name and you'll be brought to your account settings page. On this page, locate the connect Instagram option, which you can see here. So click on that and then you wait for the page to load. Then you'll be redirected to your Instagram account where you can now continue the connection process. So you'll be asked to log in, ensure you log in, and then once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the page where you can connect. Click on connect and then your Instagram will be connected to your Clubhouse as easily as possible. All right, but once your Instagram account has been connected, it's very easy to also disconnect. Once it has been connected, you go back to your Clubhouse. On this page, you no longer see connect Instagram. Instead, you see the option Instagram or disconnect Instagram. Click on that. You also be redirected to your Instagram page. Follow the prompt, and in that way, your Instagram will be disconnected from your Clubhouse account. So these are the ways whereby you can connect or disconnect Instagram on Clubhouse. Thank you for watching and have a good day.